Good morning to one and all. Yesterday I discussed about concept 1 regarding ratios and proportions. It is a simple basic ratio problems. I discussed concept. So before coming to this video, please watch concept 1 and you will get a clear understanding. So let's start about concept 2. This concept 2 is regarding number based ratio problems. Number based problems. Okay, number based ratio problems. So most asked in competitive examinations, number based problems. So first read the question. Three numbers are in the ratio 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4. The difference between the greatest and the smallest number is 27. They are asking about the smallest number. First let be the names be A is to B is to C. So what are the ratios guys? 1 by 2, 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. So these ratios are in fraction form. We should convert as a normal numbers form. So we have to take the denominators 2, 3, 4. So find LCM for 2, 3, and 4. So when we are converting the fraction into normal numbers, we should do LCM for the denominators of 2, 3, 4. So I think everyone knows LCM. So I will give you some shortcut to find LCM. So the shortcut for finding LCM is firstly given numbers, take the highest number. What is the highest number? 4 will be the highest number. C is the 2 is a in 2 table we are getting 4. Yes, 2 into 2, 4. We are getting it's right. In 3 table we are getting 4. No, the 4 is not a multiple of 3. So 4 is not an LCM. So what is the next multiple of 4 is 8. Same thing. Yeah, same thing. Is 2 is a multiple is 8 is a multiple of 2? Yes, 2 fours are 8. Is 3 is a multiple of 8? Is 8 is a multiple of 3? No, it's wrong. So 8 is not also an LCM of the number. So then what? Then go to again multiple of 4. It is 12. Is 12 is a multiple of 2? Definitely 2 into 6. Is 3 is a multiple of is 12 is a multiple of 3? Yes, definitely 3 into 4. So it satisfies 2 and 3. So the LCM becomes 12. So the LCM of 2 comma 3 comma 4 is 12. LCM of 2 comma 3 comma 4 is absolutely 12. So multiply the ratio with 12, you will get the answer guys. 1 by 2 into 12 is to 2 by 3 into 12 is to 3 by 4 into 12. 2 by 3 into 12. Then cancel how many times? 6 times. So 6 is to 3 how many times? 4 times. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 3 3s are 9. So 6 is to 8 is to 9 is the final ratio. So what is the asking? What is they are asking? What in the given question? The difference between the greatest and the smallest number is 27. What is the greatest ratio, guys? 9. What is the smallest ratio? It's 6. Can you give me the difference between the smallest ratio and the greatest ratio is 3. So 3 parts they given 27. Is it right? They're asking to me to find the smallest number. What is the smallest ratio here is 6. 3 how many times we are getting 27? 3 nines. So definitely 6 into 9 you will get a 54. The smallest number is 54. We can find another numbers by also. 8 nines are we will get second largest number. 9 nines are 81. We get the largest number also. So the answer is 54. So this is the way to find the smallest number. First we have to do ratio. It is in fraction form. You should convert it into normal decimal numbers by doing LCM. After getting LCM, multiply the LCM with the given ratio. You will get the new ratio. So in the question they given the smallest number and the greatest number difference is 27. So smallest ratio and largest ratio will get three parts. Three parts become 27. They are asking about the smallest number, six parts. Then six parts will become 54. Very simple, guys. This is the most asked question in competitive examinations. So prepare well for that. So please note the problem. Pause the video and note the problem. And second question, guys. Second question is A comma B comma C divide amount of 10,500 means A and B and C are three friends. They divide 10,500 themselves to in the ratio of 5 is to 7 is to 9. After that, each one gets 500 more. What will be the no ratio? So three friends, imagine A, B, C. They divide 10,500 and 5 is to 7 is to 9. After dividing, I'm giving 500 to each one of the person. So I'm asking the what is the new ratio when I give 500 rupees to these three friends. So that is the question. So very simple, guys. First write the ratio. A is to B is to C. Three friends. What is the ratio divided? 5 is to 7 is to 9. Very simple. Can you tell me the how many parts 5 plus 7 plus 9? It gives 21 parts. How many parts? 21 parts. How much amount they are dividing? 10,500. Three friends are dividing 10,500 by total friends parts will rise to 21 parts. 21 parts into 10,500 will give rise to 500. That means each part is, so one part value is 500. One part value is 500. Very good. So tell me the total amount. One part is 500, then five parts will become 2,500. 5 into 5, 2,500. Okay. Its one part is 500 and seven parts will become 3,500. If one part is 500, then nine parts will become 5 nines are 45. Yeah, this is the real amount. After that, I give 500 rupees to each of the one. Yeah, 500. I give 500 to A. I give 500 to B. I give 500 to C. After that, how much should become? 3,000. After that, 3,500 plus 500, 4,000. 4,500 plus 500, it's 5,000. Very simple. Cancel three zeros, three zeros. The final answer is 3 is to 4 is to 5. Option B is correct answer. So very simple question. First, we have to know the ratios. 5 is to 7 is to 9. Total is 21 parts. 10,500 is divided by 21. You will get 500 per each part. Then add 500 to, then find the original amount. 5 into 5, 25, 7 5s are 35, 5 9s are 45. After adding 500, we'll get 3,000, 4,000 and 5,000. The ratio we'll get is 3 is to 4 is to 5. Can you find another small shortcut for this? I'm asking a shortcut for this. Can you find the small shortcut? I didn't say it's a shortcut, but follow this. It's good while finding shortcut because we are calculating the whole amount. It is waste of time now. So I will give you shortcut. So after calculating each part is 500. So one part becoming 500. One part is becoming 500. So that means one part is becoming 500. A contains how many parts? A is to B is to C. A containing 5 parts, B containing 7 parts, C containing 9 parts. Is it right? One part is 500 means can we add one part to the ratio? Definitely it will become 6. Can I add one part to the 7? It will become 8. Can I add one part to 9? It will become 10. So the final answer it will be definitely it will be 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So 3 is to 4 is to 5 is the answer. Shortcut for this. No need to calculate the amount of A, amount of B, amount of C. It's waste of time. For competitive exams, every second is important. So one part 500, already have 5 parts. That means you are adding one part now. Means one part to the ratio, it will give 6. 7 parts you already know. We are adding one part, which will get 8. We already know C parts, C is 9 parts, we are getting 1 part 10, 3 is to 4 is to 5 will be the answer. That's, that's the question. So that is the second question. Please pause the video and note the question and answer and note the shortcut also. So same thing. Third question is very important, guys. Most asked questions in recent examination. By mistake, instead of dividing 702 among Ram, Ramesh and Naresh. So there are three friends. Who is Ram and Ramesh and Naresh. There are three friends. Very good. Uh, in the ratio of 1 is to 3, 1 is to 1 by 4, 1 by 6, it was divided in the ratio by mistakenly. Means by mistake, instead of dividing 702, Ramesh and Naresh in the ratio of 1 by, so they should divide the ratio in the form of 1 by 3, 3 by 4 and 1 by 6. By mistake, for some mistake, it is divided in the way is 3 is to 4. So by mistake, the ratio is divided into 3 is to 4 is to 6. Yes? Yeah. But actual was different. Actual was 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 6. I already said if it is in the fraction form, you should convert into decimal form. Very simple. LCM of 3 comma 4 comma 6. Do LCM. LCM of 3 comma 4 comma 6. Very simple. 3 comma 4 comma 6 LCM is 12. You already know. No need to explain. 12. So multiply with the 12. 1 by 3 into 12. 1 by 4 into 12. 1 by 6 into 12. We get new ratios, guys. It's 4 times now. So actual ratio will get a new values. So actual is 4 is to 4 threes are 12 and 6 twos are 12. So 4 is to 3 is to 2 are the actual values and the mistaken values are 3 is to 4 is to 6. So this is the ratio we have to find. So that is not, so question is not completed, guys. Wait. So after conversion the ratio, then in the question they're asking who gained the most and how much. After mistaken, who gained the most? So after taking some mistake value, who gained the most? We'll find it. See, coming to three friends. This is Ram. This is Ram. So we can note now. This is Ram. This is again Ramesh. And this is Naresh. Can you tell me mistakenly? Actual value of Ram is 4. It is found to be 3. And means Ramesh in loss. Ram is in loss now. Minus one part. Ram is in loss. So he is not gaining. So Ram is not the answer. And 3 is to and 3 by 4 means actually Ramesh is gaining plus one part. Keep it whole. Keep it whole, guys. And Naresh is gaining 4 parts. Who gained the most from among the three friends? Naresh is gaining plus 4 parts. So the answer will be definitely Naresh. Means option C or option D. So option Ram will not gaining and Ramesh is also not gaining. So we have to focus on CD options. So what is the answer? 156 or 188? So we will solve it. So very simple, guys. So first find the actual value of Naresh. Actual value is Naresh 2 by total parts. How many parts? 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. 2 by 9 into, can me tell the how much amount? It's 702, guys. 702. How much? 702. 702. 2 by 9 into 702 will gives rise to 156. Okay, this is the actual value. Actual value. And mistaken value, we'll find the mistaken value. Wait. Mistaken value of Naresh is 6 parts. Total of how many parts? 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. 6 by 13 into 702, it will give rise to 324. Just calculate it, 324. So I want to find how much he gain. So Naresh gain is equal to, very simple. What is the mistaken value is? Mistaken value is 324 and actual value is 156. 156. 324 minus 156. Can anyone? 324 minus 156 is 168. So the answer is 168. 324 minus 156 is 168. So total amount was 168. So Naresh gain percentage was 168. So the option D is correct. So in this question, it's very simple, guys. First take the mistaken value 3, 4, 6, and after that actual value. At what Ramesh and Naresh do, find the new ratio. After that, see how many parts he's gained actual Ramesh. So Naresh gained 324 minus 156 parts. So practice these three questions are the main questions in most asked competitive exams in number based on regarding ratios and proportion. So thank you for giving this great opportunity. So let me meet soon for concept 3 video. Thank you, guys.